Hello friends, this is Preeti Mehta from Vision Overseas. I am an expert PTE trainer and I have trained almost more than 500 students. So today I am making this video to reach the students who have faced queries about knowing what is PTE, how to give this exam, how it will help us in migrating or for study abroad purposes. So this video will address all these queries. Now in this video I will cover what is PTE, why you should give PTE and the modules of PTE. First of all, we will start with what is PTE. Now PTE is Pearson Test of English. It is a 3-hour test that is 180 minutes and you will be marked out of 90. I have shown you the marking scale on the screen. You can see that, and here it is clearly seen that if you are getting 58 marks, then your band equivalence is 6.5. If you are getting 65, then your band equivalence is 7 bands. For more details, you can see this image and you can clear your doubt. If you still have any doubt, you can put it on the comment. And then I will talk about why you should give this exam. So there are various reasons you can try this exam. First reason is this is an online exam which will be completed in 3 hours and you will have a genuine marking system. It's a fair and consistent marking system which is assessed by artificial intelligence. There is no human beings involved, no manipulations. It's a fair exam, as I already told. Second advantage is it is recognized worldwide. You can see that there is worldwide recognition in most of the developed countries like Australia, New Zealand, USA, Canada and even UK. UK have also launched the new exam PTE Home, which students can approach for UK PR as well. This exam is approved by Australia and New Zealand Immigration Department. And even you can apply for study purposes. So this is also an advantage, and even now UK, Canada and US are also inviting students for their further education. Now there is fair and consistent marking system, as I already told that this exam is assessed by artificial intelligence, no human beings are involved. So you don't have to get worried about your genuine marking system. It is very authentic exam. If you have appeared well, then definitely you will get a positive score. Then another reason why you should apply this test is I have seen many students, they have the fear of speaking in front of third person. If there is someone who is going to ask you a question, who is expecting something very much related to language, so you get scared and you don't appear well. So this is the right exam. Here only you and a screen monitor will be there, and whatever comes in your mind you can freely express it in your speaking task. There will be no one to listen you, no one to pinpoint you, or no one is there to ask you the counter questions. So this is again the strong reason why you should apply for this exam. So there are various reasons which you can find that PTE is the best exam for migration as well as study purposes. If you want to know anything regarding PTE, feel free to contact me. There are contact details given at the end of the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.